floors and walls. Let's get to it. So the first thing that you want to do for your floor is make sure that it is nice and clean. The way I am deciding to do my subflooring from the very back of the van all the way up to right underneath the seats, that is 141 inches. I am taking 3 pieces of 1/2 inch plywood. I'm going to run them their full width, which is 48 inches. So that means I can use 2 full widths, 48 inches each, and then one I will cut to 45 inches, and that'll give me my 141 total inches. I'm gonna go ahead and do my first round of mold treatment. I have a primer. It is mold and mildew resistant. You think you're ready to put up your walls, do ya? I am deciding to do my walls in 4 separate, six, I'm deciding to do my walls in 6 separate sections. First, start off with just my basic measurement. What's the longest thing that I need to cut for this piece and the widest? It's starting to come together. Backrests. Yeah, I think that'll go. Since I have the backrest here and it's open, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some slits and do some like sliding door action on either side so that then I can access this back part. Project that we got going is a big ol' pull-out drawer that's gonna be my toolbox. I have these big ol' 40-inch drawer slides. these out. Pull these up. Hey, alright. We can go ahead, use our jigsaw, and get jiggy with it. I went there. Oh, let's zoom that in. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Measuring and cutting and remeasuring and recutting and throwing stuff out because you cut it wrong, and then remeasuring and recutting. I'm totally recording this wrong.